Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Velvet token on Binance Alpha. As you know, Velvet just got listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how. It's very easy. First, you can open your Binance app and make sure you have signed in, and then go to your search bar here at the top. Then you can search Velvet, yeah, and as you can see, there is Velvet on Alpha. If you cannot find it, you can click search, and then you can see Velvet on Alpha here. You can click it, and this is the chart, guys. Yeah, it's not really bad, right? And if you want to see the details like the volume, you can click info here. You can see the 24-hour high, low, and also the volume. You can check the social media also. And if you want to see the audit, you can click here, the audit in the top, and you can see this is the audit. And if you want to buy it, you can just click trade here at the bottom. Then you can choose limit order. You can put the price you want to buy, like this, let's say like this. Then you can also choose an instant buy here. You can swipe your USDT or other token or coin to Velvet token. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Thank you.